everybody. And Guruji's blessing is with us from last 2013, and his blessing is every day. We just cannot say कि आज ही है कल ही है. Every day is with us. And somebody did ask कि what did you get from Guruji? I said that being in such a tough time, I still have a smile on my face. There is so much problem in the life, but still we say कि never mind. This is Guruji ने इतने में काट दिया हमारा. कुछ लगती है जब भी खुश होते हैं कि कोई नहीं, इतने में ही हम बच गए. Otherwise, when you go to a hospital, you come to know लोग इतने बुरे हाल में है. तो शुक्राना गुरुजी का कि हम सुन पा रहे हैं, देख पा रहे हैं और हम सत्संग में आके taking his blessings. So this is the biggest शुक्राना that Guruji is with us. And like I used to believe in Sai Baba. तो जब हम गुरु जी के बड़े मंदिर रवि जी लेके गए थे, तो 1 month I was like just Guruji, Guruji, Guruji. So I said I'm cheating Sai Baba. So as soon as I opened up the Facebook, Sai Baba and Guruji was together. So it was clear कि अब मेरा बस यही अकाउंट है, जैसे गुरुजी कहते थे have just one account. तो शिरडी is my बड़ा मंदिर. So I love, that's the only place I prefer to go. So गुरुजी से मांगो मत. This is what always I say, because like गुरुजी से कि आप गुरु को छोटा बना रहे हो. He knows what and when to give to whom. Like right now my kid is going to go in first year of college, so we are very much tense, like because of this tough time. All people, kids जो abroad जाने वाले थे वो भी इंडिया में ही पढ़ने वाले हैं. So it's a very tough kind of thing. So we know Guruji will get him somewhere or else. So we have surrendered to Guruji. He knows where he is going to get his education and all that. And his planning is better than mine. So I always prefer his surrendering to him. And of course, at this tough time, we all need to pray for people, in Dubai or whichever areas. Even Indians are there everywhere. So we need to pray कि गुरुजी उनको अकल दे ट्रम्प को, so that at least little bit of because of him this world is going in a very bad place. So we need to pray for them also, so that at least हम तो गुरुजी के चरणों में हैं, तो उनको भी अच्छी राह मिले. And that's all. जय गुरुजी. शुक्राना.